Hey YouTube world, it's Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm just at another Airbnb. This is in northwest Edmonton in an area called Parkdale. And I'm just doing my final walkthrough right now and I thought I'd video it. It's in the background, it's behind me. This is the place. Brand new house. Everything's all brand new in it. The bed was super uncomfortable, but this place was $65 a night. I was here for 6 days. But yeah, brand new subdivision in Edmonton. I think this is February 10th, 2026. And I'm just checking out. This place has three rooms upstairs. One, there's a permanent resident living in it. I think probably the cleaner. And the other 2 rooms that they rent out for Airbnb. So I'm just wiping off my feet right now. Again, wiping off my feet. Yeah, so I'm ready to go. Nice closet in the foyer. Futon. And then this thing. And then like a 42-inch TV up here. I didn't use it. And a gas fireplace. I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. Probably needs to be lit. The pilot light probably needs to be lit. And this is for a basement residence. I haven't been down there. This is the washroom here. Just a half bath. Hey, YouTube world. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. Pushing 150,000 subscribers now. Greatly appreciate everybody's support. Then this cute thing over here. This reminds me of my little sister. My little sister, Clem. Clem Fandango in England. Kent, England. Shout out to Clem. Hey, Clem. Aw, this is so cute. Looks like it stands about 4 or 5 feet tall if you stand it up. I don't know what the heck it's doing here. Interesting light fixtures. And then check out the locks on this back door. So you have the normal handle lock. Then you have these things. Flip that up. Flip that up. And now you can open the door. But look at that. That is interesting. Is that paranoia, or is that the new? Is this the new norm for new houses? Putting these latches in? Like it's only on the back door here. So I close the door, lock it. Then I latch that. Latch that. No. The door is secure. Very bizarre. It's a great idea, but I think it's overkill. This is just a closet. Vacuuming stuff in there. No idea what those things are. Yeah, well, let's go. Yeah. Everything's empty here. Absolutely nothing in the cupboards. There's like one plate, one fork, one knife. I've been frying hot dogs in that saucepan, in this saucepan. I'm putting a little bit of oil in there, frying them up because there is no frying pan here that I could use. I think there is one here, but I think it belongs to the permanent resident, and I just don't see him around to use it. So, anyways, everything's all empty here. See, look at this. There's a frying pan here, but I think it belongs to the guy. I used a little bit of his oil to fry up my hot dogs, but yeah, I didn't touch his stuff, really. Yeah, everything's all freaking empty here. Silverware drawer. Empty. Bags, soap. Other silverware drawer. Empty. I like the soft clothes. Everything's soft clothes. Yeah, empty, empty, empty. Empty. Center Island. Empty. Empty. Oh, it's a little coffee pot maker down there. Empty. These people need to stock up for their tenants. It's ridiculous. Nothing. Absolutely nothing there. And of course, a few things in here from the permanent resident. And I guess it sounds like a lady moved into the other room opposite mine. I heard her coughing. There was a female coughing in my room. Or I heard her in my room last night coughing in the next room. Definitely female, but that's a rarity. You hardly ever see females at these Airbnbs. Anyways, it's usually the guys. They're just passing through. But yeah, I'll show you my room. There's no number on the door. It's obviously a permanent resident. Nice big space here for something. Bathroom. What's up, YouTube world? Trev here. Anyways, it's all brand new. Nice place. But as you're about to see, the bed is really horribly uncomfortable. Down in this room, this is a washer and dryer, of course, brand new. Look how close they came with this. The door has to be open so far. For this dryer door to clear it. That's hilarious, eh? It's at a couple millimeters. But yeah, Samsung electronics or appliances. Samsung washer, Samsung dryer. That's probably $2,000. But yeah, they cheaped out on this bed. I don't know what's in the other room for a bed. But this bed is about 2 feet wide, 3 feet off the ground. I like the height. But it's like, for me as a big guy, I had to roll over in place. If I were to roll over, I'd be on the floor. Like, what a tiny bed. I will never get another Airbnb with this size bed again. And I had this for 6 days. Roll over in spot. Otherwise, you roll out of bed. But yeah, I like the new features that you can plug in your USB stuff in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bunch of wires here at the side that maybe you could see, that you plug in the headboard, and then you can plug in your USB-C, USB-A devices into there, into the center. Some sort of weird industrial building out back. I don't know what that building is. Somebody's home or industrial, I don't know. It just looks very unusual. But you know, there's a train yard there. Trains going back and forth all night. That's the backyard. I like the black tapestries, draperies. I like that. Yeah, a nice big closet. Yeah, 1 p.m. is the checkout time for this Airbnb. Normally it's 11 a.m. But yeah, this one was 1 p.m. My next Airbnb I'm going to check in is at 4 p.m. and it's normally 3 p.m. So I'm going to have to do some finagling. I have to get dropped off there and just wander the neighborhood, drop off my bags or whatever. But this is the life of going from Airbnb to Airbnb. So I should sign out here. If you haven't subscribed, friends, please hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Hit the thumbs up if you like this. If you like this sort of video with me doing the Airbnb walkthroughs. More yet to come. Take care, everybody. Trev, Monthly Mission, signing out.